Hi, today we are going to talk about the present simple tense, negatives and questions. Now, to make the negative, we use do not, don't, or does not, doesn't. The verb doesn't change. So for example, I don't like cheese. He doesn't like cheese. So you can see the verb like, it doesn't change. To ask a yes/no question, we put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. Does she go to the cafe in the morning? Yes, she does. Do they play soccer? No, they don't. We can also add WH question words before do or does. The WH question words, can you remember? What, where, why, when, how. Let's look at an example. When does she go to the cafe? She goes to the cafe in the morning. Okay, that's all about the present simple, questions and negatives. For more information, please check the Grammar Bank. Goodbye.